Hello guys, welcome to Feed Foodie. Today we are making beetroot soup. I don't know what your goals are for January or for the new year, but the soup is actually compatible with almost all diets. It's low calorie, vegan, low carb, so you can't go wrong at all, and it's also absolute soul food. For cold winter evenings, even if you have decided to pay attention to your diet and save calories, I would still definitely add nuts to it. You know, healthy fats are extremely important for our body, especially for the cells, the cell walls. Besides, they have vitamins, proteins, minerals, trace elements. I have cashews here, which I roast briefly, but of course you can also use all the other nuts. Cashew nuts are of course clear, again just not nuts, but rather the kernels of the fruit of the cashew apple. Nevertheless, they have a lot of unsaturated fatty acids, and they are also rich in tryptophan, and tryptophan lifts the mood, and that's why cashew nuts are also called good mood nuts. I still find it quite funny, and I also find them delicious. Beetroot is also perfect because they have extremely few calories. Cooked beetroot has between 45 and 50 calories per 100 grams, absolutely suitable for diet. In addition, lots of vitamin C, antioxidants good for the immune system, lots of fiber, and also lots of nitrate, which promotes oxygen uptake in the blood. That's why many athletes are extremely keen on beetroot juice, because it increases the oxygen content in the blood and is also quite good for regeneration. If you want, you can cook the beetroot yourself. It's always fun to see how the kitchen looks afterward. If you like this, please give me a like, and if you're interested in more healthy, vegetarian, and quick recipes, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget the spices, and of course, you can always try them again. Und wenn die Farbe jetzt nicht der Hammer ist, ich finde es ist auf jeden Fall mega cool. I wish you a lot of fun imitating. See you next time.